Hello everyone, in our earlier video we have discussed about PLSQL procedure. In this video we'll discuss PLSQL function. So let's start. A function is a name block of code which is similar to procedure that takes input, perform operations and return a single value. So this return is mandatory for function and it was not there in case of procedure. Function is perfect for tasks like calculations, validations or fetching a specific data. Now let's see the syntax how we create a function. So first of all we have to mention create or replace function name. This is same as procedure. Then we have to provide the parameter details and the parameter type can be same as procedure which are in, out and in out parameter. Then we have to mention the return keyword which is mandatory and the data type of the data that we want to return and then is, and after that we have to declare our variables and then within begin end we have to write our logic and we have to return a value. Now we'll see one example of creating a function and calling that function. So in this example we'll calculate the bonus of the employee from the employee table. So first of all we have to write create or replace function, then the function name which is get underscore emp underscore bonus. Then as a parameter we are using PEMP ID. So basically we'll pass the value of the employee ID while we call the function. Then the return keyword is mandatory and as a return we'll get the bonus of the employee. So that is why the data type will be number. And then we have declared two variables v salary and v bonus. And within begin end, first of all we are fetching the salary from the employee table for a particular employee ID that we are passing in the where condition, and we are storing that salary in the v salary variable. Now if that v salary is greater than 25,000 then the bonus will be v salary into 0.15, that is the 15% of the salary, and that bonus will store in the v bonus variable. And if it is less than equal to 25,000 then the bonus will be 10% and again will store in the v bonus variable. This is our condition and at the end we'll use the return keyword to return the value of the bonus. Now we'll compile this function and you can see function getEMP bonus compiled. Now to check whether the function is created or not, we'll go to the schema and under that we'll go to functions. Here you can see getEMP bonus is there, that means it is successfully created. If you double click there you can check the code as well. Now we'll call the function. Now to call the function there are two ways. Either we can call it from a PLSQL block which is same as procedure. Also we can call a function directly from SQL query. So we'll see both the ways. So first of all we'll see how to call a function from a PLSQL block. So here we have declared one variable vBonus to get the return value from the function, and then within the begin end we are calling the function by passing the value of the employee ID and it will get the bonus as a return, and that bonus will put into the vBonus variable, and after that using dbms output will display the bonus. So first of all we'll check the what is the salary for the employee ID 104. So we'll query. You can check the salary is 27,500 which is greater than 25,000. So as per our logic bonus should be 15%. So let's run this. So you can see bonus is 4125 which is 15% of the salary. Let's check for another employee which is 110, and if we run this query, here we can check the salary is 24,200 which is less than 25,000, so the bonus should be 10%. So if we pass the value 110 to the function, we should get the 10% of the 24,200 which is 2420. So we are getting the correct value. Now we'll see how we can call the function directly from a SQL query. So here you can see we are calling getEMP bonus in the select statement by passing the employee ID. and here we are using dual table as we do not have any table. So let's run this query. See, we are getting the bonus. If we change the value of the employee ID, let's run this, we are getting the bonus correctly. Also, we can use the employee table as well, like we'll use select e dot star from employee table, and after e dot star we'll just use this function to get the bonus, and instead of passing some fixed value like 104 or 1010, we'll pass the emp id. So now we'll run this. So here you can see we are getting the data of 10 employees, as well as at the end, like as a last column, we are getting the bonus of all the employees. So this is how in SQL query you can call the function. And if you want to drop the function, you can use drop function. Then we have to provide the function name, which is getEmpBonus. So see, function is dropped. If you refresh, you can see function is dropped successfully. So thank you everyone. If you like this video, please hit the like button, do subscribe our channel, and share this video within your friend circle.